Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back and welcome to another kit up, which is the first of December's kit ups actually, and we're going to be kitting up this lovely leopard that we got from, very kindly gifted to us by Dawna Girlsby. And she very kindly gifted us 2 packs of these storage trays, so we're going to use one of them today. This is it's quite unusual for a 30x40. It's, normally their colour schematic is quite big, but this only has a whopping 12 colours, so we might be able to fit 2 paintings into this one. But yeah, how's everyone been on this cold wintry day? It's been definitely a very cold day, that's for sure. But yeah, on with the kit up. So it's been quite busy today. I started the morning off doing, I'm filming this on Sunday the 26th of November, and I started doing a bit more of that Santa painting that I've been working on that I showed on a live stream. And then I did a bit of building the Enterprise, and then I did a coaster, and now I'm doing this because I have to try and work with the paintings that need daylight first, so because otherwise once it gets proper dark we don't have the assistance of the light board, so especially like coaster workers and stuff like that. So yeah, I had to sort that out first. So I'm going to call this the Blue Eye Snow Leopard, because I have so many leopards, we wouldn't be able to tell the difference, but I've got some sparkly jewels which I plan to put them in the thing. I plan to put them in the eyeball of the snow leopard. But yeah, it's been quite busy really. Just getting bits and bobs done, you know, things you have to do. I can see these, a lot of these colours seem to be having the same sort of colour coding, so we might be using up a lot more than we think, but we can get past that no problemo. 2 and 2. It's funny, this schematic, because it starts off going into numbers and you get so used to doing numbers, and then it starts going into alphabet. And I was looking at Amazon earlier because I've been getting the video ready for my unboxing next week, and I found some more paintings that I like. So Christmassy ones. I need to cap it now with Christmas ones. Blue-eyed leopard. I'll just put leopard snow. That was supposed to be snow leopard, not leopard snow, but never mind. But yeah, I really need to sort of like stop buying Christmas ones now, because we've got, although we're getting through the projects quite quickly, the one that you'll see that I'm debating about getting is quite a massive one. So yeah. Now we've actually got another 3 packs of this black one, so I can put, it's probably going to be a 310, yep, a 310. So yeah. What's everyone been up to? Anything nice? Got any plans for next weekend? Are you going to be putting the trees up? I've seen a lot of people put trees up in November, which I think is absolutely obscure, because people just can't seem to wait until the actual official month. I mean, it's entirely up to you when you put your tree up, but I just think putting it up in November is spoiling it. So yeah, I have, because I've seen so many people put them up, I've been tempted to put mine up, but I don't want to get decorations out and then have to move everything, because I've got these epoxy gas engineer needs to come in to do an epoxy annual survey for, what's it called, an annual You know that annual safety thing that they do every year? Safety check thing. See if they don't have anything better else to do, but hey ho, gotta do what the landlord says. It's just such an inconvenience, because I generally don't like contractors coming in anyway, because it's the amount of times I have to keep moving things to put it back to then, you know, do you see what I mean? So already we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of that, or 6 pots if you like. So yeah. I'm looking forward to, I still ain't had a lunch today yet. I've been so in the mood, zone of diamond painting. Not really that hungry, to be fair, so yeah. I'll probably have to sort something out later. I don't really fancy cooking either, so it won't be a takeaway, that's for sure, because I've been quite good with not ordering KFC. The last time I had KFC, oh blimey, I don't actually know. So they keep sending me emails with special offers, but I am so focused on, you know, investing more into diamond painting, you know, so I might get a McDonald's on the weekend. It's payday next week, so because I'm filming this on Sunday and it's payday on the 28th, so yeah, maybe I'll do a payday treat. So yeah, I think this is my last sheet of that. Oh no, I think, yes, the Temu one's after that. Great. Oh, lovely. Don't mind doing the Temu ones, but they're not really ones that I enjoy working with. I much prefer the ones that I get from the news agents. Where's my scissors gone? I keep watching this TikTok ASMR person, and he's a hairdresser. And he flicks his scissors like that, but I don't know how you do it. Like, flicks it and then cuts the hair and then goes like that. And then flicks it. I don't know how you do that. It's very impressive to watch, you know, it's quite fascinating to watch, so yeah. So yeah, normally on a Sunday I try not to diamond paint, but I just feel like I have to diamond paint. It's just become like a regular daily thing. And obviously during the week I don't get much time to diamond paint because I'm working, so it's the only sort of proper day I can catch up on the weekend and get quite a lot done. Blue-eyed snow leopard. I mean, you don't really have to coat it like this because you can just put the coating of the paint in, but I deal with hundreds and hundreds of these boxes, so yes. But yeah, I wasn't expecting this to be such a short painting, but it is, so yeah. It's lovely to get back on with the kit ups because I've been I order them on Amazon, they're like a £5, so I order them in bulk on Temu sometimes. So what's this, 6? No, that's 7. Oh no, it's 6. There's 2 different ones here. 6 and 7 look very similar. As you can see, they've done a different, it's slightly darker, that one there. But yeah, we've been quite low on storage racks. But huge thanks to Dorno Girlsbeard who got me, I think it was 2 packs of 2, weren't it? And then Michael Pasocki and Kurt got me 5 packs, so that's going to last us some time. Okay, so 7! No Len Goodman there. I don't like that 7, it's a very scruffy 7. I mean, generally my handwriting's scruffy anyway, so I do apologise about the shadow. As I said, this is the problem we have in this room. Because when they built it, they didn't put the light central. It's behind a beam. Every room in the house has got this stupid beam, apart from the hallway. So I don't know why it has to have so many beams, but there we go. 8. So yeah, you'll get a, I'm trying to think, you'll get a whip and chat in the evening, and you'll get this in the morning. The whip and chat is very, very exciting because it's the start of the Christmas run. So yeah, I'm very, 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 very excited about this. From at the moment, I thought I had the wrong pack then, but it isn't. Because I have a lot of these paintings that have a lot of this coding. It seems to be WX and stuff. So 9 is, that's going to be A, which we've just done. Lovely. So as you can see, they fill up quite quickly. Not everyone likes these type of trays, but I love them. They're just nice and compact. I do have the rectangle versions that look like a Tic Tac, but I just don't like them. They're too bulky. Whereas with these ones, they're nice and flat. That's the wrong one. Snow Leopard. Blue-eyed. So yeah. Quite like kitting up. I've not actually, I have thought for a while. Oh no! Right, we've missed out a couple of 2. I've not got no room for that, so that's fine. We can pour that into a duplicate. It's not going to go in order, but yeah, we'll have a strange 2 cropped up here. I must have forgot to fill them in. 2, yeah. Yeah, so, that don't look right, 2. So, yeah, I had thought about kitting up, but no, de-kitting. I'm getting very discombobulated. But I don't really know if it's something I want to do. I mean, if you're just going to be sort of like just shoving it in the bin, is it really worth it? I might do it, I don't know yet. Still in the planning decisions on that one. So that's C for Coca-Cola. So again, here, that looks like a C as well. Yeah, that's fine. So lovely getting rid of, you know, all this off your desk. And slowly but surely, the drill packets are coming down, and eventually they'll all, you know, I'm getting them out the file slowly and slowly, and the file's getting less heavier. So, I mean, it's quite surprising as well. Was that C or 10? That's both the same. So it's quite surprising as well, because the amount of weight, once you put the drills on, they all feel light, and then the amount of weight you put on just by putting drills on, you know. So this is the last 2 stickers. Don't know. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any more in there, so we're back to them wretched Temu ones. Oh, it's because we've lost some because of like scribbling this out, but Snow Leopard. Right, so that's that. And then we got 11 and 12. So this one didn't really take very long. As I said, most 30x40s do tend to have near enough 30 to 40 colours. Some go up to 50. But yeah, that's quite interesting. Okay, so 11. D. Just have another quick look. But yeah. Bam. I'm going to have to order some more stickers. Actually, I'll use this one that's up here. Got a small sliver here, but I don't like these stickers very much because they have a horrible adhesive, but it's what I do. I tend to buy these if I can't get the big ones, because as you can see, it comes off lovely, but these ones is a little bit, if you don't get it right, it can come off. Okay, so 12. Why is it whenever you're doing a demonstration, it always does the opposite to what you want it to do? That's a gorgeous. I think that 12 is probably going to be, yeah, that colour there, that F, I'm going to swap, because that colour seems to be that eye there. So this I'll crystal up. I'm not going to put any of them on there. I'm going to crystal it. But I think this is going to play havoc, you know, keep swapping and changing between white and black all the time, because it's, you know, all the rosettes. You'll never get a cheater with the same rosette there. So F was 12, weren't it? So we'll do F. And yeah, that completes this kit up. So, wow. It's exceeded my expectations, because I thought we'd be up here. But because there's some colours, for example, 3 10s, you're always going to get heavy on that. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3 10s there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left there. So that's not bad. And then what I will do again, as I always do, is WX 1, 2, 4, 6. There we go. Lovely. So I'm going to enjoy my Galaxy tonight with watching the. I thought I ordered the smooth milk, the smooth milk one, but it's the caramel. So yeah. So as you can see, again, blue-eyed leopard, and then we've put the code WX1246, which marries up with the code here WX1246. So that's all done, Dawn Galaxy, and we will start to get that all tickety-boo. But yeah, do let me know in the comments if you would like to see picking up, because I can't keep saying picking up, de-kitting, sorry, because sorry, I'm just having a fight with the file here, just trying to get it in the file. But yeah, do let me know, because I do like feedback. I mean, I don't know what you guys like, whether you like, I mean, the unboxing seems to be quite popular, whipping chats, but if you want to see some other stuff, I know Cuckoo for Diamond Painting has asked me to do bookmarks, and I haven't forgot that. It's just finding some that I like. You know, I want to venture out to the diamond painting cups that you can get. What puts me off is if the water leaks into it. I don't know about that, but yeah, I want to try them. There's some exciting things coming up on the channel very, very soon. So can't wait for that. December's cram-packed. All sorts of things happening in December with whipping chats, K-rings, all this sort of stuff. So yeah, anyway. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And there is a big surprise in store throughout December, something that we've never done on this channel before, so stay tuned for that. And also tap the notification bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. That's the kit up for this time. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.